Today we are going to see how to create project report using our template in the blog. First of all, I will show the page. If you go to downloads, we have links available for mobile version. First of all, I will copy the file for bibliography. This is a very short content actually. I will start copying from ampersand up to this bracket. I will copy this content. I will switch to WebTech. This is the auto-generated document. I will go to the option bibliography and I will paste it here. Save this file. Now I will go back to the blog. In downloads, we have template for project report. This is a very long content actually. I will start copying from here. It will take some time. From here, these are packages for different commands, and this is an environment made for something like new theorems, writing theorems, propositions, examples, etc. And these are the way we write. This is how we write chapter. This is how we write sections. Inside chapter there will be subdivisions like 1.2, 1.3. So those are sections. Inside sections we will have subsections 1.1. The numbering will come automatically. You just need to write section, subsection, chapter, etc. And this is how we write mathematics. $x plus y equal to z. This is a mathematical text. It will appear differently. And this is how we write sections, subsections without numbering. This is begin description. This is for list. Now you can see that begin definition, end definition. This is implemented before the begin document line. There are lines like new theorem definition kind of lines. Those lines implement these environments. The concept of environments and commands will be explained later. So this is how we write matrices. This is a 3x3 matrix with bracket delimiters. And this is how we write equations with numbering and equations without numbering. The way we write theorems, begin theorem, end theorem. There is a support mechanism for these lines on the top. These are different kinds of mathematical expressions. So there are, LaTeX is originally designed for mathematical purpose. Therefore, it will contain a lot of mechanisms for writing different mathematical equations. And LaTeX will generate beautiful mathematical equations without much complication. So once you're almost, so I will copy till this end document. I will copy this. I will switch to WebTech, document, select all, delete, paste, save. And you need to remember that you need to change this bibliography to document. Now save it again. Now once you click generate, depending upon the speed of your internet connection, the report PDF will be generated. This is our report. This contents page is auto-generated with page numbers, chapter. So this chapter 1, we never wrote chapter 1, we just wrote chapter, how to use chapters. And we wrote section, we didn't write 1.1. These numbers and the formatting are automatically updated, tables are drawn, that matrix is drawn, equation with numbering, without numbering, different kind of mathematical expressions, differential equations, integral, unit, set operators, summation, infimum, supremum, and images can be drawn. So I have, this document is bit explanatory. I will give more details in the coming videos. Thank you.